So module 2 of Creative Mind is focused on the 7-step model for sustainable creative change. In Creative Mind, we're talking about these connections between all these different parts of the whole, from nature to ancestors to individual mind to integral mind, from me to you, from me to my friends to my enemies, etc. What we're looking to do in Creative Mind is open these conversational spaces, if you will, where we can bring in all of the different vital connections that are part of a person's deeper identity system, and then see how we can bring them all into some sort of positive harmony. Positive harmony doesn't mean they're all the same, but each part is validated, each part is seen in terms of its value, and then the parts are brought together like a musical symphony, like a good sports team, like a good meal. Those 7 steps that we focus on is how to open to this sense of wholeness, oneness, if you will, how to sense a vital, simple, resonant goal, how to sense what resources you call upon to support you on that journey, how to identify what the sort of the blocks or the resistances or the obstacles, and what it means to creatively transform those into positive relationships that really support the creative path. And then, really important in Creative Mind, how to do this connection so that each of these disparate parts are sort of, again, singing the same song. So there's this integration. And then we say, what are you going to do to bring that out into the world? And what do you need to keep it alive and keep growing? So we say those are the 7 core elements for making sustainable, positive changes. They're the sort of a first platform for the Creative Mind work. That's why we're starting with it in this early module. So hope to see you there.